Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change the tip on your Lyft application. To change the tip on your Lyft ride, you can follow these quick steps. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. Open up your Lyft application from the app drawer and make sure to sign into your account. Now, tap on the menu button appearing at the top left corner of the screen. In the expanded pop-up menu, click on Ride History. On the fourth row, you will be able to see all of your ride history on the page. Choose the ride or driver you wish to tip. Tap on Add Tip and select the amount you wish to tip for the particular driver. You can also set a default tip amount for all of your rides. To do so, go back to the menu that pops up on the left-hand corner as soon as you press the menu bar. Now click on the Settings option and scroll all the way down and tap on Set Default Tip. You can choose a percentage or dollar amount as your default tip. You can change or remove your default tip at any time. Select the default tip that you would like to add and then go back. And this will now be able to change tip on your Lyft application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.